What is going on, viewers, subscribers, and those and you guys and you guys in the background over there? Yeah, what's up? Hi.
I don't see no one. I don't see no one.
Besides that, welcome back to a brand new video here with the JPZ and DPZ brothers. Today
Yeah.
we're gonna be doing a DIY on
DIY.
yeah DIY
On
on French what was it?
Free Shavakadu!
No, David, it's coffee, no
Not-
rallies or anything like that.
Rallies. No.
Or whatever it was.
Okay. Okay.
So besides that,
we're gonna be waking. What? Tell him.
Oh.
A drink, a coffee drink, which he knows what's it called, because I don't really know stuff. Okay, so tell him.
I'm stuck.
Kill my bond.
I
Okay, he's back. Okay, tell him.
We're gonna be making French vanilla JD Frappe. JD.
Or JPC and DPZ. Frappe. French vanilla.
Whatever.
But just know it has our name. But anyways, let's just get right started in the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and you already know what it is. So just.
And before we get started, please share this video with your friends.
Yeah, share it on Google
Share it.
Plus, Facebook. Anyways, let's just get right into the video.
Enjoy.
Okay, guys. So first, let's look up the recipe. Let's look it up in the book. Book says something about zip code. Zombie. You know what? That's what the book says. Okay, but right side it was okay, guys. So for the first ingredient, according to the book, it says we're gonna need this. I don't know what this is, but if the book says it's correct, then yeah, that's correct. Then if the book says it, okay. Next step, what you're gonna be needing is baking soda. I don't know why, but the book says it. I trust the book. I trust it. You're gonna need an empty bottle of milk. You're gonna like have to twist it and stuff to like it break. That's what the book said. Okay, and let's go for the last step. Okay, guys, remember like a few months ago, like 2 or 3, I don't know, we did a video, a challenge on try not to laugh, and we showed a pumpkin. So, and for this video, we're gonna need a pumpkin. It's orange now. It's not green no more. Get that right there, put it right there. And hold up, let me just get the last step. Since we don't have sugar, like who needs sugar for this? You can literally just plant some sugar canes in the backyard, not go buy it at the store. Look, boom, bam, right there. Sugar cane right here. It's flesh. Look how beautiful that is. It's flesh. But okay, since we don't got sugar, we're gonna have to cut this in half in pieces and stuff. Or that be needing. Look at this.
No, that's too violent. Look, use this instead.
This is sharp.
Yeah, it's more unique.
Hey, let's just move this aside real quick. And we gotta cut this. We gotta cut this sugar cane. This is totally dangerous. This is too dangerous, so remember to ask an adult if you're like underage. But this is what's gonna happen. You're just gonna go prepare the cut. Look at that freshness.
No.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah, but it just okay. Bam! There you go. Do you see how juicy that sugar cane was? Damn, look at that. So juicy, right? Look how much
That
sugar.
wasn't even juicy, man.
What? Look how juicy. How much sugar it gives me. Look. We could make some taquitos of sugar. You never know.
Okay, guys, so what we just did right now, all of this right here we did, all that piece of art we did, David and DPZ did, was just a waste of time. All this sugar we weren't gonna even need it because we're gonna be using this French vanilla coffee made. I mean, like if you guys are using the coffee made dust version, like you're gonna guys want to use sugar with it. But I'll tell you this: just call 5555555, and you can get all this for free.
For free?
Yeah, with the shipping rates of like I'll say, but just about $10.
Dude, that's so cheap.
I know. You might like in this video because of that. So all of this recipe was just a fake.
Wait, it was fake?
Yeah.
This book lied to me. I thought you were the good book. You lying to me.
You want to burn it?
No, let's not go that far.
Okay, guys. Well, this is the real recipe now. You gotta be the one using better, you know? The kind of to use the cutting like. No. Screw better. Use Nescafe instead. Yeah, it's way better.
Why? Man, sorry, pero no one likes you. Like, not even the camera likes you. Oh my god, violence. Because you're better, but the camera still don't like you. So yeah, just stay with the chef.
Okay, yeah, guys, but this one's brand new, so we're not gonna use this one. Let's move this steadily to the side, and we're gonna be using this one instead since it's used. Like we're gonna finish it. Listen to it. The next recipe, which you're gonna need, a gallon of milk.
Yeah.
You want to fill this in a cup, which we're gonna do right now. But you're also gonna need a cup of ice. So let's go get some ice. I know what you guys are thinking, JPZ. This is water, not ice. Well, we can fix that.
Oh my god,
see?
Knowledge.
That's the cubes looking at stuff.
Oh my god. Ow. Knowledge.
Yeah. And this one, of course, as I said before. So let's just begin.
Okay, guys, so we got the Vitamax again over here. The best kind, I guess. And these are all the ingredients you need. Not including this one. This one goes in the corner and be with the chef over there. But these
Time out.
Okay. But these are the ingredients. So first, you're gonna have to put the ice. You're not gonna be needing only one of them. You're gonna be like 2 or 3 more ice. Yeah, pretty much. The pink spoon. I don't know why, but why not, man? Okay, right there. And then, well, next you have to put the milk in there. I say like about that much. I mean, it even shows the
For now.
For now, I guess, yeah. And then you put where the coffee comes and get like a few spoons of these.
Just try to get one. It depends how much you want it, like strong coffee.
Yeah, it depends how strong you want the coffee.
That's enough for us.
Just there you go. We're done. And then final step. So this now this comes in last. Don't go. It's already put a lot, just like that much.
It already has a lot of sugar in it.
Yeah, I'm not sure. And yeah, they just blend it together.
Put the tap on the top.
They just get this started.
Okay, and yeah, so pretty much it. The job is pretty much done. TBC. So as I was saying, the job is pretty much done. We just, because of course, you have to add more than 1 cup of ice. And depends how much you're gonna want. And we add, of course, we add a little bit more cream and a little more ice and just to make it this and a little bit more milk too.
Yeah, but it's ready, so let's just get right ahead and taste it.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Look at that. That looks like vanilla shake.
Yeah, it looks delicious.
Yeah, if you want to make it more brown, just put some more of this. Not this. Well, it's actually good, but we like this one better.
Yeah, okay. Hey guys, so this is the finished product. Look how delicious that looks.
That looks wonderful. Let me get taste of it. Really
recommend it.
Really recommend it.
It's really good.
So yeah, this comes to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this small DIY. So if you guys want to try out, we're gonna leave the items you're gonna need down in the description, or you could just rewatch our video, the whole thing again. So get us an extra video, you know.
You know what I do already.
Just leave a like, subscribe, comment.
Yeah, you know what
pretty much share this video with your friends too.
Yeah, they know what I do already. Yeah, let's just end it. Bye, you guys.
Bye. This makes no sense. How does
one do that?
My life is working. Goodness praise the camera.
Wait, what? Wow.